Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix AMD-V is disabled in the BIOS, or by the host OS. And, this host supports AMD-V, but AMD-V is disabled. Now, let's start by opening Task Manager. In the Task Manager, select the Performance tab. Here, the virtualization feature is disabled. We need to enable it to fix this error. Go to Start menu, and restart your PC. Then, go to BIOS Setup menu. In the BIOS menu, click on the overclocking setting. After that, expand CPU features. Here, SVM Mode is disabled. Now, enable it. Then, save or changes settings, and restart your PC. Now, in Task Manager, you will see the virtualization feature is enabled. Then, check your program or application. Great. It's working. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.